beautiful sound of a Bechstein, one of the world's great pianos. I'm Robert Estrin. You're going to hear this piano. I'm going to put it through its paces. Restored, I'll tell you all about it, but let's start with some music. This is actually the delightful sonatina, the first movement of KUHLAU's Opus 55, number 1, in C major. Ah, the feel of these ivory keys, and what a rich sound. Bechstein goes back to the 1800s, and it's still regarded as one of the finest piano builders in the world. At 5.5 feet, this piano has a rich sound, but it can fit almost anywhere. And look at this classical styling from 1928, and it fits in with modern decor just magnificently. Now, we just refinished the piano. The soundboard has been refinished, new strings, damper felts, the works, tuning pins, and it plays so nicely. I'm going to let's have some lyrical music, the intersection of Chopin's Scherzo number 1 in B minor. And that's where it goes back to the ferocious first theme. Listen to the delicacy that's possible, the nuance of expression, and that warm, rich sound. I bet you're wondering what it sounds like to really open up. I'm just going to play the beginning of Schumann's Carnival. And the action, by the way, has a nice delicacy to it. It's not a hard piano to play. You can get a beautiful, rich sound and gorgeous furniture and a piece of music history. They literally don't make them like this anymore, except in Germany, in very small numbers. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store, free national delivery, in-home tuning, beautiful artist bench, the works, all for you. We'll see you next time.